Hi guys! Welcome to today's video. I have a very quick and easy DIY mask for you today. This is my favorite mask during the winter time. Not only it helps you with acne but also dull skin and moisturizes you at the same time. You can find almost everything I'm using today in your kitchen, and even if you don't have everything in your kitchen, this could be personalized in however way you want to use it. I'm going to go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and I'm putting it right in this tray right here. You can use a bowl if you want. First, I'm going to do all the dry ingredients. Next, I'm going to take 1/4 tablespoon of nutmeg. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this vitamin E oil. And I'm going to put just a couple of drops of it. I'm going to go ahead and use 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Next, I've heated up some milk in a cup. I'm going to take some milk and I'm going to start mixing it all together. This is the consistency we're looking for. We don't want it to be too runny. Using an e.l.f. foundation brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my face. While we're here, let's talk a little bit more about this mask. The mask contains cinnamon and nutmeg, which are both great for acne and blemishes. Because of honey in this mask is anti-inflammatory. And to be honest with you, I always travel with honey. That's one skincare I always carry with me. Just like honey, milk is also amazing for your skin. Not only it helps you boost the radiance in your skin, it fades away acne scars and gives you a youthful skin. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test on your arm. Don't use it if you get any irritation. Once we've applied it all over our face, we're going to wait about 20 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with warm water. I went ahead and washed my face with warm water, and as you can see, I have a little bit of redness in my face, and that's okay because we have just scrubbed our face and we have the circulation going in that area. So I'm going to go ahead and use Super Aqua Ultra Water Cream from Misha. Face feels so smooth right now. Don't use this mask more than 2 times a week. Start with 1 time a week and see how your skin reacts with it. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY face mask. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Ciao!